Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, all. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for coming to my presentation. Nice to meet you all. Firstly, I want to thank you Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because everything. So we can be do our activity, and also I thanks to Mr. Agung Nugroho. And in this opportunity, let me introduce myself. My name is Erma Indah Wahyuni. My name is P13374302202122. My class is 1C. My material presentation about film screen system. Screen film radiography is the use of silicon film within a cassette being placed behind the object to be imaged and exposed to an X-ray beam. Their film are then processed. X-ray film is somewhat similar to photographic film in, in its basic composition. However, unlike photographic film, the lack of radiation-sensitive emulsion is usually coated on both sides of the base of X-ray film so that it can be used with intensifying screen. Component of the radiology film is supercoat, emulsion, adhesive layer, and base. Supercoat is protective layer of gelatin has provided sturdiness to unexposed radiographic film, anti-static, and reduce damage from starches, pressure, or contamination during storing, handling, and processing. Emulsion layer is sensitive to radiation and is composed of silver halide grains. Emulsion layer has two principal components. They are silver halide grains pencilmatrix. It consists of homogeneous mixture of gelatin and silver halide crystal. In typical emulsion, 90 to 99% is IGPR and about 1 to 10% HCl. Adhesive layer. Also called subsink layer or substratum layer, made of mixture of gelatin solution and sulfate of film paste. It gives emulsion layer and base adheres to each other during coating, stack, and processing. Base film. Base film is a transparent supporting material. Base film is to attack the emulsion layer and transmit light so that the image can be displayed. It is using polyester, polyethylene terephthalate, deal property for base material. Structural support for fragile emulsion, low lag absorption, dimensional stability, flexibility, strong, non-flammable. Single coat. In such type of extra film, the photosensitive emulsion is coated only on one surface of film base. Their film are used with single indecision screen cassette with the film placed in front of the screen on the side facing the X-ray tube. There are specific purpose film used when higher spatial resolution of image is desired. Double coat. There are routine purpose X-ray film having photosensitive coating on both sides of base and used with double screen cassette with the film sandwich between their screen. Short film record laser export factor and laser processing time. Film scale are basic principle of film screen. In the receiving screen, the screen are fit in X-ray cassette and interact with X-ray to convert most of their radiant energy. The amount of light emitted by the receiving screen is proportional the amount of X radiation passing through it. The X film are more sensitive to light rays than the X-ray. Therefore, the use in the shipping screen allow reduce in the exposure factor without affecting the general quality of radiograph. In the shipping screen, porosity often using rare edge material such as La, GD, and a small portion of TM or NB or TB. When exposed to X-ray, it will start to be visible like screen sensitive, most much the film used. Thank you. Thank you all for coming to my presentation. I I and I apologize if there is a mistake. Please understand. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.